How to log in to the Mission Lane credit card account. In order to log in to Mission Lane credit card, just simply open any of your browser and after that search for Mission Lane in there. And then this first link of missionlane.com will appear. Simply open it. After that, you will be in the official website of missionlane.com. From here, tap to these three bars from the top right side of your screen. After that, you will see the option of login. Tap to login button and you will be in this page of Mission Lane's website, where you just simply need to enter your email address into this upper row, and after entering your email address which is associated with the Mission Lane account, just simply enter your password in this lower row. And after entering your email and password, tap to login button and you will successfully be logged in to the Mission Lane credit card account if your credentials are correct. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.